welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making fresh watermelon juice. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared.
First, I'm going to put my cut watermelon and lime juice into my blender. If you don't have a blender, you can use a food processor. Then I'm going to blend it on high. I'm going to do this until it is all ground up and there are no chunks of watermelon. You can drink it immediately or store it in the fridge. It'll separate in the refrigerator. This is normal. Just stir it and it'll all go back to normal. And my watermelon juice is done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy.